Hello, this is Paul with OnRamp Solutions, and this tutorial covers the OnRamp Chat feature, how it is used, and its basic functionality. OnRamp Chat is a cross-site feature, which means that by sharing a chat server with all your environments, you can chat across all your environments. For example, if you had a plant in California and another one in Canada, you can chat with all the users in both locations without having to sign in to different environments. OnRamp Chat uses email address as an identifier, either your internal or personal email address, instead of your username. This is because you may be using a different username on different environments. Like most other chat programs, OnRamp Chat allows you to chat with just one person or create a group. Groups can be used to open a chat for a certain department, like finance or IT, or a group of friends. Through OnRamp Chat, you can send text messages, files, GIFs, snippets, and links. Also, you can send OnRamp items like a copy of a report, a dashboard metric, or a screenshot of a screen. It also works with OnRamp notifications, meaning you can subscribe to notifications that will be received on your chat. OnRamp Chat also works on OnRamp shop floor devices. Users at work centers that have a shop monitor installed will have the ability to view chat on their shop monitor screens. This allows you to communicate directly with people at the work center with a live chat. Finally, on the Chat Manager screen 1150, you can create new chats and search through old chat conversations. Setting up OnRamp Chat. For sites that have chat enabled, you will see a tab for chat on your OnRamp menu. Before you can use chat, you have to set up and validate your chat email. To do this, navigate to User Options and Preferences. On the screen taskbar, click Edit. In the Chat Email field, enter the email address that you will use for chat, and click Save. Click Send Val Email to send a validation email. Once received, enter the received code into the Code field. Click Validate. Log out and log back into OnRamp. You will have validated and save the changes to your user options, and you will now see the OnRamp Chat button whenever you go to the Chat tab. Once you have set up the chat, on the Chat tab, you will be able to open the Chat Manager to update your display name and profile picture. By default, OnRamp uses the first part of your email address before the @ symbol. To change your display name and profile picture, on the Chat tab, click the plus button to open the Chat Manager. On the screen taskbar, click Edit, enter the display name, click the paperclip icon to launch the File Picker app and upload a picture, and click Save. You can also change when OnRamp notifies you that you are receiving a chat. In the beep type field, the available options are when not focused on conversation, which means you will receive a beep if the conversation is not highlighted, beep always, which will always send you a beep, and disable beep, which will never send you a beep. Once you have done all that, you will have updated your display name and profile picture, and you are ready to use OnRamp Chat. To start a chat, navigate to the Chat tab and press the plus to launch the Chat Manager. On the Start New Conversation tab, click the plus to select a participant and start a new conversation. Enter the desired message and press Send. The message will be received by the other user when they are in the chat and available, and the chat will appear on the Chat tab. The chat window will also show you additional information on the chat. Highlighting a user icon will show their status if they are online or offline. Online means they are using OnRamp and have access to the chat. Every message will be listed with a timestamp of when it was sent and received. Messages will show an icon if they have been seen. You can add reactions to messages or reply to a specific message. You can delete your own messages by clicking X on the message when it is highlighted. Here is an example of replying to a message. If you want to add multiple users to a chat, click the plus for each user to add. For chat groups of more than one person, you can add a name to the chat group. Once the first message is sent, the group will appear in the list of available chats. Sending media. To send a GIF, click the GIF button, search for the GIF, and click on it to to attach it to the chat. To send a file, click the File button, select the file in Windows Explorer, and click Open. All users that can see the chat can click on the file link to open it. To send a hyperlink, type or copy the hyperlink into the chat text box. OnRamp will automatically display it as a clickable link. To send a screen capture, activate the snipping tool and take the screen capture, copy it, paste it into the chat text box, and hit send. You can also attach other pictures this way. To send a report, open the report, select the chat to share, and then on the report taskbar, click Send to Chat button. This will create a link to the report. To send a screen cap of a dashboard, select the chat to share, and then click the Send to Chat button on the dashboard. To send a screen capture of a screen, open the screen, select the chat to share, and then click the chat button on the screen taskbar. Enabling chat on shop monitors. To enable chat for the shop monitor, navigate to the Device Shop Monitor Manager, screen 2605. On the screen taskbar, click Edit. Search for the desired device, and in the chat column, click it to select and enable the chat. Click Save. Now, if you enter a chat for the workstation, in the example Workstation D1000, you can send a chat message directly to that work center. In the example, you will see the Work Center screen. In the lower corner, the chat icon will now turn red. If the operator clicks on it, they can select the message and react to it. Notifications in OnRamp Chat. To subscribe to chat notifications, navigate to the Subscribe to Notifications screen 2841, select your user profile if required, select the desired notification. In the lower area, select Chat and click Save. Now, whenever a notification for that subscription is sent, you will receive a new chat notification from OnRamp Notifications that shows you what notifications have been generated for you based on the subscription settings. You can click on the screen names in the received notification to open the relevant screen and action the item. This concludes our tutorial for OnRamp Chat. Thank you for watching and have a good day.